Today we have some sunshine. Merry Vlogmas Day 21. I actually have absolutely no idea what day of the week it is. I genuinely don't. In fact, I'm going to go check. It's Friday. I'm feeling a lot better today. There's still some tightness on my chest, so I am going to spend the day in bed because I don't want to exacerbate it and start doing loads of things and set myself back. So I'm gonna have a day of chilling and doing very little, and fingers crossed that will mean that tomorrow I will be up and about and bouncy, and yeah, I have a couple of dresses that I would like to try and get made before Christmas. They are all stretchy ones, so they shouldn't take too long. I should be able to get a couple done just before Christmas, which should be good because they are comfortable to wear, but they look like I've made an effort, and they're going to be different to the ones that I have been wearing non-stop all year. So I've come down and Mum's out having her haircut, but there are two giant parcels from Anna, and they are addressed to Mr. Whiff, Mrs. QQ, Miss Waffle Waffle and Pets. And so I'm going to open them up. I think they're wrapped on the inside because I saw Claire opening hers. We are to wait till Christmas. Could you pass me the scissors, Papa? Yep. Also, I just wanted to say, Jodie, I did give your comment a heart. I know it was a question about the books. I did give your comment a heart, and then you commented saying, oh, you've given me a heart but not answered, you're a busy girl. And I hearted that one as well. So my niece worked this out for me the other day because we were talking about ways that I could keep in contact with you guys effectively, and with the amount of you that there are, and obviously this will never happen, but if every single one of you sent me a message and it took me 10 seconds, all I did was look at it and reply in 10 seconds, that would take me about 33 hours to get through all of those messages. And I absolutely love the comments, and when I give a heart, it's to say that I've read it and that I've seen it. And if there are certain comments on sew-alongs asking specific questions, I do try and answer those ones. But for example, Jodie, you asked about books that we were reading. I was going to answer you in the vlog. So the series that we were reading recently was The Wheel of Time by Robert Jordan, and it's definitely got magic, but it's not so much a whodunit, and it's 14 books long. Because you mentioned a 7-book long series that was kind of whodunit. I'm not sure, I don't think I've referred to one like that. The other one that I was talking about was Temeraire, which is a series of books set in the Napoleonic War times, and it's if dragons were real and everybody had their own air force, how that would have affected different situations. And then Naomi, that's by Naomi Novik, and she's also written Spinning Silver and Uprooted, which are standalone novels and are amazing. And excuse me, this is why I'm not doing sew-alongs, because I can't talk for long periods of time. And then I've also been reading or listening to the Dreamwalker series by J.D. Oswald, and that's about dragons as well, but there definitely wasn't a whodunit, but there were lots of magic ones. So Jodie, there you go. I do read the comments, and the heart, me giving you a heart just means that I have read your comment, I have seen it, and I really do appreciate everybody's comments. I do try and answer questions in the vlogs rather than by writing, because I did try and do that to begin with and I just couldn't keep up. So yes, anyway, parcels. Ooh, not showing your address, I might not. Oh, it's down the bottom. So there's a lot of sellotape on here, so this could take me a while. I love that you've put Happy Mail on these as well. Oh, good grief. Ooh, nearly took my own eye out then. Didn't think that through. Wow. Oh, that's a Chiana one. That's definitely treats, so that cannot go under the tree. Jane, Danny. Ooh. I know what these are. Let's see if he does.
Oh yeah.
You have to wait till Christmas.
Yeah.
Sean. Good grief, Anna. There's so many. Quilting Queen and Whiff together.
Oh yeah.
Oh dear, if this is food, this could end badly. Oh, I think I know what that is as well.
What could end wisely.
Actually, they do like fairly opposite types of chocolates and stuff, don't they? Because you like Bounties and Mum hates them, so
yeah.
you'll end up with the bounty and Mum will get everything else.
Dark toffee chocolate is the best.
Dark toffee chocolate. You're getting very specific now. I don't know if you've seen on Anna's her YouTube channels is You've Got Me in Stitches, and her Instagram is Fuzzy Baby Seals. But she had a giant pile, or 2 giant piles of posts that she was sending out, and Claire got her happy mail yesterday. Is it yesterday or the day before? Anna is definitely spreading the joy. Ooh, Sean. That's squishy. I think I know what that is as well. And Susie. Don't think that's food. I think that's all right to go under the tree. Sean. And a teeny tiny little one for me. And there is a card and it says to all. Oh, that's so pretty. It's a little deer with sparkles on it. I don't know if the sparkles are showing up. To Sean, Jane, Danny, Susie and Chiana. Wishing you all a wonderful, warm and fun-filled Christmas, and look forward to the shenanigans of 2019. Love from Anna. Thank you so much, Anna. That's really kind of you. They're all going under the tree except for the food one, because even though it's for Chiana, I think the dog will try and eat it, so that needs to be stored somewhere safely.
Go on the mat, please.
Yes. Well, this is getting rather full. I think the dog approves. I think she can smell all of your cats, Anna. Are you ready, Father?
Yes. I'm ready.
I actually had no idea what day of the week it was.
21st.
21. I know it's the 21st. I had no idea. No.
I'm going to say hello to Anna. I'll tell you for why. You've got me going. I know what's coming on Christmas morning.
Oh, there it is.
The anticipation is unbelievable.
How do you know?
So how can anything in here live up to it? Well, it was a touchy-feely packet. And, you know, when things are about that long and quite hard and they sound, you can guess. 21.
Oh, that was my chin.
Oh,
You've been
go on.
cheating then.
It wasn't cheating.
No, even I know what's in that packet. We could be completely wrong.
I'd say there was £half, actually.
You think he's wrong with you?
No, we could be wrong, but I think the same thing is in the packet.
The crit Zerotum.
Ooh,
Oh,
they look fruit
these are
pastels.
jellies, fruit pastely.
Oh, I
These are-
like them.
Oh yes, very promising.
I like the Bassett's ones with a little blue and pink.
Me too, yeah.
Yeah. Now, look at that. It's got a bit of squidge to it. Love it. Mm.
I think you've got a happy customer.
Mm. You know, probably the way I brought up, I do chew my food to enjoy the flavour. And this is, oh,
Have you got a word prepared?
this is lovely jubbly.
Lovely jubbly. Oh, gorgeous.
Gorgeous. It really is. Oh.
Scrumptious.
Don't poke me in the chin with yours this time. he got overly violent with his.
How did you get your chin from there?
Because I was holding it like this. So that's why I'm holding it like this. Oh, it's not cocoa, is it? No, it's not.
Pralinato.
Oh! Hi. Pralinato di alba. Dark chocolate hazelnut praline with white nougat.
Sounds good.
Oh, yeah. Let's see. Is it dark chocolate?
Do you know, throughout the last 21 days, I've never been offered one of these chocolates.
No.
Now, I have offered my licorice around.
That's because you've got more than one in your
No, you
packets.
haven't.
And
Never to me.
it's lovely.
Been to the hairdresser today, been to the hairdresser.
Very pleased with it.
Yes. Is that good, Mum? Are you happy? No, what my point was earlier when I didn't know what day of the week it was, I didn't know what day of the week it was. It's Friday.
Friday.
Yeah. I had to go and check. Oh, look, there it is. 21.
God, these are gorgeous.
They're all making very happy noises. Coffee, hot chocolate.
Not your cup of tea?
No.
But it is mine, actually. I do like hot chocolate, and I do like drinking coffee. Not coffee chocolates, but drinking coffee.
Okay. All yours.
Thank you.
How many days left is there? 3 days left and it's Christmas. I've taken up some wrapping paper, so I'm going to wrap both of their presents this evening because I haven't done that yet. And yeah, that's basically today. It's been quite a few hours since I last spoke to you, and I literally haven't moved from this spot, and that has been lovely. I do feel much better. I am still taking day nurse and night nurse, and that's definitely helping. I can tell when that wears off. I haven't had to suck a Strepsil all day though. My throat's been really good because I can still feel tightness on my chest, so I think today's day of chilling wasn't quite so much an indulgence, and even Mum said it was probably a good idea not to get up and do too much today. So fingers crossed tomorrow I will be back and able to get some bits and pieces done. So I've wrapped Mum and Dad's presents and going to take those down and put those under the tree tomorrow, although actually maybe I'll do that on Christmas Day because they are quite big and there isn't really a lot of room under the tree at the moment, as you saw earlier today, so maybe I'll do that a bit later. It's been a very nice chilled day and I haven't done any admin, I haven't done any work at all, so I know quite a few of you have been sending me emails and I haven't responded as yet. So as soon as I kind of have my brain get back in gear, I will respond. I hope you have enjoyed the very short vlog that it's been today, and fingers crossed again that normal service will resume tomorrow. And thank you so much for putting up with sickness for the last couple of days. It's very kind of you all. On that note, I'm going to say goodnight and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.